Hi there, and welcome to Tony's Garage. Today we will present a high-performance supercar produced in the 1990s, known for its distinctive design and impressive speed capabilities. So this is the Bugatti EB110 Super Sports made by Minichamps at a 1/43 scale. I bought this model in 2019 for approximately $40, and for this money, I can declare myself pleased with the amount of detail and paint quality. Before closing, I would like to know if you would want me to review any other Bugatti model. Have a great weekend and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!